Good morning, everybody. This is what I wake up to. I don't even know it's gonna snow like this. This is very thick snow. So look at this. Looks pretty cool. But guess what? We're going for an oil change. It's about time. It's been 4,000 miles, a little bit over it, but what's the aggressive spot right there? We are going for an oil change, and what's it called? We have the oil catch can, the MISHIMOTO oil catch can. So we're gonna test out the results and see how effective it is. But first, I gotta clean this, and then we'll see how much dirt there was in it. And we're finally here. Look at all that snow we caught. I don't like this. Look at all the snow we caught on the highway. This stuff sticks. I mean, it's just the snow, that's why. I don't like this stuff. So we get onto here, its shield is right there. Where is it? Right here. Right there, this is it. Okay. So it's this one right here. And then that's the filter. Is it in there? Whew. How nasty this is gonna look right now. Completely black. Not bad. 4,000 miles. Not a bad color. It's not completely blacked out yet. Look at that. That's what you get for Mobile 1 fully synthetic, guys. Do it every 4,000 miles. You will last your engine a really long time if you plan on keeping it. And here comes the filter.
It's back.
Huh? Filters.
Oh,
Yeah, it's time to change it.
yeah.
Let's see. Filter looks like. That's nasty. Oh well, it's time to change that too.
What?
The filter.
Yes.
Of course, you're gonna change the filter. It's dirty.
If it come in or...
Yep, it's coming down. Here comes the oil catch can. But to find out the results, it's coming down.
It's going.
It's okay. You see? This is 4,000 miles, guys. Look at this.
Tell them to WhatsApp.
This is an oil catch can, guys. I put the link in the description below for a 1.5
Tell them now.
and also for a 2.0. So look how dirty that is. You don't want this build up in your
Okay.
manifold or inside the engine.
That's
nasty. About to go clean up. This is what we put in my engine. This is it. So I don't know if you guys get something else, but I would prefer get this. Durability and, you know, lifetime and all that stuff. I change it every 4,000 miles. Alright, the oil change is done and everything is good to go. Best way to reset it is, I mean, this is the only way. You would go to home, you would go to settings, then you would go to vehicle. Well, I already did it, so you would go to vehicle and then you would go to maintenance, and what else was it? You would go to maintenance and then you would put reset all. It will tell you the oil change and the spark plugs or whatever you gotta do, but you already know you only gotta do one or two things. And you will put reset all what's it called? Reset all maintenance stuff, and it will go back to 0. So the sign over here would go off, or the maintenance signs would go away. So you're good to go. When we check maintenance, it's at 100%. We're good to go. And that's it. We go back to this. That's it. All right, guys. Red light camera here. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the support you guys give me, and I hope this video was helpful on the oil catch can results and how to reset your oil change stuff.